Motorola's big comeback, foldables, AI, and flagship power at Lenovo Tech World 2026. At Lenovo Tech World 2026 in Las Vegas, Motorola made one of its boldest statements in years. On a stage packed with innovation, the company unveiled brand new flagship devices, introduced an ultra-premium smartphone lineup, revealed a special FIFA World Cup edition foldable, and, most importantly, showcased a unified AI vision that connects Motorola and Lenovo devices like never before. This wasn't just another product launch. It was Motorola redefining its future. Let's break down everything Motorola announced, and why it could change the smartphone and AI ecosystem moving forward. Motorola's first foldable, Motorola Razr Fold. The highlight of the event was Motorola's first ever foldable device, the Motorola Razr Fold, a phone designed to adapt seamlessly to how people actually work, play, and multitask. Unlike traditional foldables, the Razr Fold focuses on practicality without sacrificing style. When closed, it feels like a familiar candy bar smartphone thanks to its large 6.6-inch external display. This means you can use it comfortably with one hand, checking messages, browsing apps, or watching content, without unfolding the device. But once opened, the experience completely transforms. Inside, the Razr Fold reveals a stunning 8.1-inch 2K LTPO display, offering a massive, immersive canvas perfect for productivity, creativity, and entertainment. The ultra-thin design keeps it lightweight, while flexible layouts and adaptive interfaces make multitasking feel natural instead of overwhelming. Motorola also added Moto Pen Ultra Stylus support, making note-taking, drawing, and editing more precise and intuitive, something professionals and creatives will truly appreciate. What makes the Razr Fold even smarter is its on-device AI. Features like Catch Me Up and Next Move help users stay organized, summarize information, and anticipate what they need next, all without breaking their workflow. This is Motorola's vision of a foldable that actually fits into everyday life. Flagship-level cameras in a foldable. Motorola didn't hold back on imaging either. The Razr Fold features a powerful triple 50-megapixel camera system, including a main sensor, an ultra-wide macro lens, and a 3x periscope telephoto lens. Whether you're capturing wide landscapes, close-up details, or distant subjects, the camera system is built for versatility. A 32MP external selfie camera lets users capture high-quality photos and videos even when the phone is closed, perfect for quick shots or content creation. Inside, a 20MP internal camera ensures sharp video calls and clear recordings when the device is unfolded. At the core of the camera system is Sony's LTPO sensor, delivering brighter images, richer colors, and better low-light performance. With Dolby Vision recording and advanced video stabilization, Motorola is clearly targeting users who want cinematic quality video directly from their phone. Introducing a new ultra-premium line, Motorola Signature. Motorola also introduced an entirely new category of smartphones with the launch of Motorola Signature, marking the brand's entry into the ultra-premium segment. This isn't just a phone. It's an experience. The Motorola Signature is Motorola's most refined and sophisticated device to date, featuring premium materials, bold color finishes, and up to 7 years of Android OS and security updates, making it one of the longest supported phones in its class. Exclusive services like White Glove on-demand assistance elevate the ownership experience, targeting users who want both cutting-edge technology and premium support. From a hardware standpoint, the phone is incredibly impressive. It's the first ultra-thin smartphone in its category to feature 450MP cameras, delivering exceptional photography in a sleek form factor. Powering it all is the 3nm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, paired with a dedicated AI engine for blazing fast performance, smooth visuals, and advanced AI-driven tasks. Despite its slim design, the phone packs a 5200 mAh silicon carbon battery with 90W turbo power wired charging and 50W wireless charging, ensuring long battery life without long charging times. The experience is completed by a 6.8-inch Extreme AMOLED display, enhanced with Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and sound by Bose, offering immersive visuals and rich, powerful audio. This is Motorola competing directly with the best in the premium smartphone market. Motorola Qira, a unified AI ecosystem. Perhaps the most forward-looking announcement was Motorola Qira, a new unified AI platform developed jointly by Motorola and Lenovo. The idea behind Qira is simple but powerful. Users are tired of switching between devices, apps, and AI tools, constantly repeating prompts and retraining systems. Motorola Qira solves this by creating one AI experience across all devices. Whether you're using a phone, laptop, tablet, or wearable, Qira remembers your context, understands what you're working on, and continues seamlessly from one device to another, all under one interface and one wake word. Qira brings together Lenovo AI Now, Moto AI, Creator Zone, and Learning Zone into a single intelligent system. It's powered by partnerships with major tech leaders like Microsoft Copilot, Google, Qualcomm, Intel, and Perplexity, ensuring reliable and powerful AI capabilities. This means less friction, less repetition, and more productivity. AI that actually works with you, not against you. Project Maxwell, AI you don't have to look at. Motorola also teased the future with Project Maxwell, an AI perceptive companion proof of concept developed by Motorola's 312 Labs. The idea is simple. Sometimes pulling out a phone to use AI feels disruptive. Project Maxwell explores how AI can be hands-free, always available, and context-aware. This AI wearable continuously understands what you see and hear, using cameras, microphones, and sensors to provide real-time insights. For example, during a conference, it could listen to a keynote and later generate a LinkedIn post summarizing the event, without ever touching your phone. Using advanced multimodal perception and large action models, Project Maxwell doesn't just respond. It can act on your behalf, helping automate everyday tasks. While still a concept, it shows where Motorola's AI vision is heading. FIFA World Cup 26 Trademark Edition Razr. Motorola also celebrated its partnership with FIFA by unveiling the Motorola Razr FIFA World Cup 26 Trademark Edition. This special edition device blends iconic Razr design with FIFA-inspired aesthetics, exclusive wallpapers, custom ringtones, and a FIFA watermark for photos. Built for durability with a titanium-reinforced hinge and IP48 protection, it features an AI-powered camera system and a 4,500 mAh battery designed to last from kickoff to the final whistle. It will launch exclusively through Motorola and Verizon before expanding to wider retail availability. Expanding the Motorola ecosystem. Finally, Motorola expanded its ecosystem with new devices, including Moto Soundflow speakers, Moto Watch, Moto Pen Ultra, and Moto Tag 2, all designed to work seamlessly within the Moto Things lineup. From Bose-powered audio to wellness tracking in partnership with Polar, Motorola is clearly building a connected ecosystem that's stylish, functional, and intelligent. Final thoughts. Lenovo Tech World 2026 wasn't just about new products. It was Motorola redefining itself. With foldables, ultra-premium smartphones, unified AI, and a growing ecosystem, Motorola is no longer just competing. It's leading innovation in its own way. And this feels like only the beginning.